Creating your first RFQ from your customer. Enter the RFQ module, and on the bottom left corner you will see a New button. Click on the New button. An RFQ goes to a customer. So at this time you would select a customer from your list. If you do not have a customer, you could actually add a customer on the fly by clicking the plus button next to the party list. And you could enter your customer information here. Information from the customer gets copied to the RFQ to save typing. For example, the payment method you select, the terms, ship via. You could enter all this information in the party maintenance, and this information will get copied to your RFQ. Once you have selected your customer, you'll be presented with a new screen on your RFQ. At the top of the screen you'll have your customer information and some of the predefined defaults for that customer. System will also select the salesperson that's applied to that customer. And at this point you can enter an RFQ number. This customer RFQ number is on the RFQ from your customer. So we could enter one in. You could put your own number if you wish to. An RFQ starts in draft mode. As you progress through the RFQ stages, that RFQ status will change from submitted to approved to closed. At the bottom middle section you'll see some of the RFQ address information. For example, the customer billed to ship to address, and you could click on the drop down menus to change the address. You could select a new buyer. You could also change the default ship to and terms that came from the customer. You could also assign an estimator. The estimator could be assigned to a customer by default, so all new RFQs from a specific customer would get assigned to this estimator. You could change it on the fly. But by doing this, you'll be able to get reports about the different RFQs by assigned estimator. And at the bottom, you will see the totals of the RFQ. As you begin to add line items to your RFQ, those totals would change. At this point, I could hit save, and we could now add line items to this RFQ. Please see the line item RFQ video for more information.